Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode of Crypto Corner, your go-to podcast for staying ahead in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host FX Videos, where we're keeping an eye on the markets so you don't have to. It's January 9th, 2025, and we've got a packed episode for you today, from major market movers to tomorrow's potential catalysts. So, grab your coffee, tea, or whatever fuels your grind, and let's dive in. Bitcoin breaks through $40,000 again. After weeks of consolidation, Bitcoin surged past $40,000 in the early hours of today. Analysts are attributing this to increased institutional buying and speculation around a potential Bitcoin ETF approval in Europe. If the rally sustains, it could signal the start of a broader bull run. Ethereum's Shanghai upgrade drives adoption. Ethereum's latest upgrade, focusing on scaling and lower gas fees, has already attracted a wave of decentralized applications. Major developers are praising its efficiency, and there's been a noticeable uptick in transactions over the last 48 hours. Altcoin highlights. Among altcoins, Solana is gaining traction again, up 8% today, thanks to new integrations in the DeFi space. Meanwhile, Dogecoin saw a surprising 12% spike after Elon Musk teased another possible use case for the meme coin in Tesla's ecosystem. Regulatory developments. On the regulatory front, the SEC's crackdown on unregistered exchanges is making waves. Coinbase and Binance continue to navigate through legal uncertainties, but both platforms are doubling down on compliance to stay ahead. Now that we've covered the headlines, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. How are these events shaping the market? Bitcoin dominance on the rise. Bitcoin's dominance index rose to 44.7%, which usually indicates a flight to quality. This suggests that investors are prioritizing safer assets amidst ongoing macroeconomic concerns, like potential rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. Altcoin rotation. Altcoins like Cardano and Avalanche are showing resilience, but the market is selective. Projects with real utility and strong development teams are outperforming speculative coins. Stablecoin demand. Stablecoins such as USDT and USDC are seeing higher volumes, signaling that many traders are on the sidelines waiting for a clear direction. What can you expect as the markets reopen tomorrow? Here's our forecast. Bitcoin's next steps. Bitcoin's ability to hold above $40,000 will be crucial. If it consolidates above this level, we could see a push toward $42,500. However, a pullback to $38,500 can't be ruled out, especially if volumes dip overnight. Ethereum's momentum. Ethereum could test $2,200 if the positive sentiment continues. Watch for news around DeFi adoption, it's a key driver right now. Altcoins to watch. Keep an eye on Polkadot and Chainlink. Both projects are releasing updates tomorrow that could influence their prices. Additionally, don't overlook smaller cap coins that have strong use cases in gaming and metaverse applications. Before we wrap up, let's talk strategy. What should traders and investors focus on? Risk management. Markets are volatile, and it's crucial to set stop losses to protect your capital. Don't get greedy chasing green candles. Do your own research. The crypto space is full of hype. Always dig into the fundamentals of a project before investing. Macro awareness. Keep an eye on macroeconomic factors, like the Fed's upcoming decision. Crypto doesn't operate in a vacuum. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Crypto Corner. Thanks for tuning in and staying informed. Remember, the crypto market never sleeps, and neither do we. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this podcast with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. I'll catch you tomorrow with more updates and analysis. Until then, trade wisely, stay safe, and as always, keep stacking those sats.